Okay.
Alright, ready? I'm not... Sorry. I'm not random.
Wait, did you just start?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah!
Do it again.
I'm not random.
I have a rash.
No, I know. I'm not random.
I'm not ready.
Ooh, I'm not random.
I'm not ready.
Random.
I'm not right.
Random.
Christ.
Random. Random.
I'm not racist.
Ooh, no. Random. Random. I'm not random. Oh, do I have to whisper? Should I be whispering?
What?
Oh. I say.
What did you say?
I said, should I be whispering or yelling?
Oh, it doesn't matter. You fucking hear you.
I'm not random. I just have a lot of thoughts.
I'm not random. I just have lots of thoughts.
Yeah. What? You were too good. How'd you get that? Have you seen this one?
No, it's easier when you like say the whole thing. Cause I'm like trying to like.
Oh, there it is, guys.
Oh God.
Uh-oh.
Electric nipple clamps.
What? You started? Oh, I've never played this.
Electric nipple clamps.
I like a boy, and he's what? Oh no!
Electric nipple.
Larry.
Electric.
Electrify.
Electric
Electric.
nipple clamps.
Electric.
Nipple.
Simple.
Nipple.
Nipple. Electric nipple. Tape.
Clamp.
Oh.
Electric
Okay. Electric.
nipple
Nipple.
clamps.
Tape. No tape. Lips.
Clamps.
Nips.
Clamps.
Clips. Electric nipple clips.
Clamps. Clamps. Clamps.
Clips.
Clamps.
Tips.
Clamps.
Clips.
Clamps.
Snips. Pinch. Oh my god.
Clamps.
Twist. Like
Clamps.
I don't know that word. Clip.
Or
Electric.
clamp.
Huh? I said it.
You're so close. I'll just give it to you.
Okay. Electric.
It's clamp.
Clamp.
But
I was not gonna get that.
Clip is so close. It's
Oh my
it's so
god.
close.
This is a good one. This is a good one, guys. I'm not the girl next door. I'm the bitch across the street.
I'm a what? I am a...
No. I'm not the girl next door.
I'm not thirsty.
Ooh.
I'm not...
The girl next door.
I'm not thicker than you. I'm
not the girl next door.
I'm not bisexual.
The girl.
30.
The girl. The girl.
Thicker.
Nope. The girl. I'm not the girl next door.
I'm not good at sexual. I'm not the
Girl.
girl. I'm not the girl.
Next door.
That.
Next door. I'm not the girl next door.
I'm not the girl that won't.
No.
That does.
I'm not the girl next door.
I'm not the girl next door.
Yeah! I'm the bitch across the street.
But I'm the bitch down the street. Or across
Yes!
the street.
Yes!
Damn, that was fucking hard.
Yo, she got it.
That was so hard.
She got it. That was a good one.
That was so hard.
hey, and we got a lot to go.
Okay. That is mahogany.
That is mahogany.
Yeah!
What?
Yeah!
Is it really?
Yeah! I spelled it so wrong, but that is mahogany.
Oh, I know.
I had to write it really
one
fast
for
so
me.
I didn't forget.
Every day, a friend.
I have diarrhea.
Every day. Every day, a friendly cow licks a grape.
I'm really loud when I want ice cream.
Every day
Every day.
is
Every day?
Yeah.
Every day I'm shuffling.
No.
Every day is the same crap.
Yeah. A friendly cow.
Every day
A friendly cow.
I fall down.
Every day. A friendly cow.
Every day from now.
Ooh, close. Every day, a friendly cow.
Every day I.
Mm-mm.
Every
day, a.
Every day a. Every day a.
Friendly.
Friendly.
Cow. Yeah.
Every day a friendly.
Cow.
Cow.
Yes. Every
Every
day,
day
a friendly
cow.
licks a grape.
Ice
Licks a grape.
cream.
Licks a grape.
Every day a friendly cow likes ice cream.
Nope. Licks a grape.
Licks.
A grape.
Every day a friendly cow licks.
A grape.
Ice cream.
A grape. A grape. A grape.
Arabian.
A grape.
Every day a friendly cow licks.
A grape. A grape.
A grape.
A grape.
A grape. Water isn't wet.
Oh, I know that one. I think I got it. Water is wet.
Isn't wet.
It is wet?
Isn't.
Oh, it isn't wet?
Yeah.
Water is not wet. Is that what it is? You're just jealous
You're just jealous.
because the voices only talk to me.
Because the force is always with me.
Because the voices only talk to me.
Because they force old people to talk to me.
Ooh! The voices. You're just
What?
jealous because the voices.
The voices
Yes! Only talk to me.
only talk to me.
Yeah!
Delicate, fuzzy man peach. Delicate,
Stella.
delicate, fuzzy man peach.
Noah Cyrus can go fuck herself. Is that what you just said? Oh. Looked like you were like...
Oh my god, it does look like that. Delicate.
Silento. Stellar Light. Stellaris.
What the fuck is that?
Sorry.
Delicate, fuzzy.
Feisty. Fisting.
Fuzzy.
Oh, no. The fighting. Fishing.
Fuzzy.
Washing.
Fuzzy.
Fuzzy.
Yeah. Man peach.
Fuzzy man peach.
Yes. And then the first word. Delicate.
Fuzzy man penis. Oh. Fuzzy man peach? No. Peter? Peach?
The first word.
One word.
Yep, in the front of this.
Fuzzy man peach. And there's the word in the beginning?
Yes.
Weird fuzzy man peach. Sexual.
Delicate.
What?
Delicate.
B? Is there a B?
Delicate. Delicate.
Oh my god. Fuzzy man peach.
Delicate.
I don't know.
Delicate.
Oh my god, I'm getting anxious. I'm sweating. I'm like, what is it? Oh my god.
Delicate.
Again. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get it.
Delicate.
No.
Yeah, delicate.
Selling. Oh. Dealing.
Delicate.
Dealing. Deling.
Delicate.
Deli.
Delicate.
What? Deli man. Deli.
Delicate.
Delilah.
Delicate.
Oh my god. Deli.
Delicate.
Deli ham.
Delicate.
Dang it. Delicate.
De-
Delicate.
Delicate. Delicate.
Delicate.
Yes!
Delicate fuzzy man. Peach.
Yes!
Just gotta freshen up, guys. Jess is killing it. Unbelievable. I'm not doing too well. It's my first time. Alright. Ready?
You said ready, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I buried the toaster by the llama.
Oh god, this one doesn't make sense, does it?
I buried the toaster.
I married the juice.
I buried the toaster.
I married.
I buried.
I am married. I married.
I buried.
I am marvelous. I
buried. Buried. Buried?
buried.
Buried.
I buried.
Yes. The toaster.
The ghost. Ghost.
Toaster.
Toast.
Toaster.
I buried the toast.
Toaster.
The toaster.
Yeah. By the llama.
By the
Llama.
dumpster.
By the llama. Llama.
Lump.
Llama.
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 I buried the toaster by the llama.
I'm now waiting for further instructions.
And now I'm waiting for further instructions.
Yeah. What the?
Did I really get it? On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
On Wednesdays. On Wednesdays.
We wear pink.
We
wear pink.
wear pink.
Yes!
We wear pink on
Yes!
Wednesday. The sparkly lamp ate a pillow, then punched Larry. A sparkly lamp.
The spot is...
The sparkly lamp ate a pillow, and then punched Larry.
What?
A sparkly lamp.
The lamp.
The sparkly lamp.
The lava lamp?
The sparkly.
The spark...
Yeah.
lamp. The spark... Sparkling...
Cling. I mean,
The sparkly lamp.
yes.
The sparkly lamp
Yes. Ate a pillow. Ate a pillow.
is...
Ate a pillow.
Is...
Ate a pillow. Ate a pillow.
Is pretty.
Ate a pillow.
I love lamp. And
Ate.
it...
Ate.
It's...
Ate.
ass.
Ate. Ate. Ate.
Bites?
Ate.
Chew.
Keep going, keep going. Ate. Not eats.
Chomp.
Eats.
Eats.
Ate.
Ants.
Ate.
What the fuck?
Eat.
Eat. Ate.
Yes!
Sparkly lamp ate.
A pillow.
A piano.
A pillow.
A potato?
A pillow. A
Tomato.
pillow.
Pillow.
Yes!
A pillow?
Then punched Larry.
That bitch.
That.
That then.
Just then.
That then.
No, then. Yeah.
Okay.
Ate a pillow then.
Ate a pillow then.
Punched Larry.
Then punched it.
Larry. He punched Larry. Punched Larry.
Punched it.
Punched Larry. Poor Larry.
Punched it.
Punched Larry.
Punched Larry.
Yeah.
Punched Larry.
Yeah.
Damn, Daniel.
Sam. Oh.
Damn, Daniel.
Skittles.
Damn.
Sam.
Damn.
Damn. Damn.
Damn, Daniel.
Samuel. Daniel.
Daniel.
Damn, Daniel.
Yeah.
I'm like with Sam. On a scale.
Holiday.
On a on a scale.
On set.
Ooh, on a
On set.
Ooh, no. On
On
a scale.
Dale.
A scale.
On Dale.
On a scale.
On a scale.
Ooh, from 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10.
Yeah, you're getting it. What is your favorite color of the alphabet?
What's your favorite
Color
letter
color of the alphabet.
of the alphabet?
Color. What is your favorite color
Color
of the alphabet?
of the alphabet?
Alright.
Aww.
Oh, I'm ready.
Sundays at Roll.
Kitty cats. Larry cats.
Sundays at
Sunkiss.
Roll On.
Roll dogs.
Sundays
Sundays.
at
Sundays.
Roll On.
Sundays roll.
Sundays at
At.
Roll On.
Oh my god! Sundays at Roll On! Yeah! Oh my. Decorate your house with posters of duck dicks.
What?
Decorate your
Teachers.
home. Decorate your home with posters of duck dicks.
What the?
Decorate. Decorate.
Decorations.
Yes.
Decorate.
Yes.
Decorate.
Your home with
Decorate. Go home with. Decorate your home with.
posters of duck dicks.
I was gonna say bullshit.
Duck.
Stars.
Duck.
Celebrities.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Yeah.
Duck.
Dicks.
Duck.
Dicks.
Dynasty.
Dicks. Duck dicks. Decorate your home with posters of duck dicks.
Decorate your home with posters of Duck Dynasty.
Decorate your home with posters of duck dicks.
Duck.
Dicks.
Duck tits.
Duck. Close. Dicks.
Duck pic.
Dicks.
Duck pictures. Duck
Dick.
pics.
Duck.
Duck pics.
Duck.
Decorate your home with
Dicks.
posters of duck pics.
Duck.
D.
C. C.
E.
C. C.
T.
C. C.
C.
Dicks.
Duck dicks.
Yeah! Posters of duck dicks.
Oh, God.
I had to make them funny, a little bit raunchy.
The donkey bucked your mom.
Mom.
The donkey bucked your mom.
Sorry, I was just listening to the song.
The donkey.
The hockey.
The donkey.
The Starkey.
Donkey.
Shotkey.
Donkey.
The Stocky.
Donkey.
Dorky.
Donkey.
Stocky. Oh.
Donkey.
Stalking. Oh.
Donkey.
Jogging.
Donkey.
Walking.
It's
Stalking.
It's an animal.
It's an animal.
Donkey.
Doggies. Charlie.
Donkey.
Mitzi.
Donkey.
Penny.
Donkey.
Chocolate. Labs. Oh my god.
Donkey.
Doggy. Dog. Puppy.
It's like a horse.
Horse. Is that what you're saying? Horse? Horse.
Donkey.
Horse.
Donkey.
Jockey? Oh.
Donkey.
It was a horse jockey.
Like an ass.
Your ass?
Donkey.
Your ass.
Donkey.
Talking. Stalking.
Donkey.
Stapling.
Donkey.
Stopping.
Donkey. D.
Oh, it's not even an S?
No.
Donk. Dork. Oh, donk.
Donkey.
Donkey.
Yes! The donkey.
The donkey.
Bucked your mom.
Oh my god, the donkey punched your mom! Yeah. Blue is greener than purple.
Blue is better than purple.
Blue is greener than purple.
Blue is...
No. That's too easy. Too easy.
Okay.
Yeah, I have... Llamas eat sexy paper clips.
Llamas eat people.
Llamas eat.
Llamas?
Eat.
T-
Llamas eat.
Llamas eat.
Sexy paper
Eat?
clips. Yeah.
Llamas eat.
Yeah. Sexy paper clips. Sexy
Balls
paper clips. Sexy paper clips.
Dusty mama lips.
Sexy paper clips.
Tasty.
Sexy. 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 Sexy.
Dicks.
No. Llamas eat sexy paper clips.
People.
No. Sexy paper clips.
Pumpkins. Pumpernickel.
Sexy paper clips.
What does it start with? A B?
S.
S? Llamas eat sexy?
Yeah.
Sexy people?
Paper clips.
Sexy
Paper
pumpkins.
clips. Paper clips.
Paper
Paper
nickel.
clips. Paper?
Paper.
Yeah.
See, sexy paper.
Clips.
People.
Clips.
Dolls.
Clips.
Lips.
Clips.
Lips.
Clips.
Lips.
Clips. Clips.
Start with an L.
No. C.
A D.
C.
E.
C.
T.
C.
B. D.
C.
A. B. C.
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 Sexy paper clips.
Clips. Yeah.
Live your extra life.
Jennifer Lawrence.
No. Live your.
Life your.
Live.
Oh, your life.
Live.
Left.
Live.
Is. Your life is. A mess. Mine is.
Live.
Live.
Your.
Live your.
Extra.
Estrogen? Live your life.
Yes.
Live your life?
Live your extra life.
Live your life every day. You can. Live your life to the fullest. Live your life as it was your last. Oh, I don't know.
Live.
Oh, live your life.
Right here. Live your extra life.
Live your best life.
Extra life.
Live your extra life.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Yo, I liked yours. I'm glad we recorded this. Thanks, guys. This is the Whisper Challenge with Jess and Elliot.
I never do anything. Nobody actually watches my videos.